How's it going, guys? In this video, I want to show you how you can clear your history on your iPhone if you're using the Safari app. So in my case, I have it right here. But if you are having trouble finding it, just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. So we can open the Spotlight and type in settings like so. Oh, I'm sorry, not settings, but type in Safari. Okay, so just click on the icon right here. And okay, I already deleted all the history and everything just so we can start fresh. So I have no tabs open or anything. Like if you click here, this is where we can see what tabs are open. As you can see, there's no tabs open. So, okay, we're just gonna go right here in this little booklet thingy. Click on that. And you have these three icons on top from the menu, right? The first one is your favorites. This one is a reading list. And right here is history. So because I previously deleted all the history, there's nothing here. But we're gonna do a quick example so I can show you how this starts to show up, okay? Okay, so for example, I'm gonna go here and let's say I'm gonna go to Cabela's.com. Okay, so we open the site. Let's open another tab. So we're gonna hit right here. I'm gonna hit one more tab right here. Let's say we want to go to Apple.com. Okay, so we're there. And just one more website, just for this example. Click here, one more tab. And let's go to sterling.com. Okay, so if I click right here, we can see we have the three tabs open, the three websites open. Just click done. And we're going to go to this little booklet thingy. Click there. And we're already in the history section. As you can see, we have the three that we just, the two sites that we just opened, the IT, the Sterling one, the Apple.com, and Cabela's. So how do we go ahead and clear this? We're going to click right here where it says clear. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we get this prompt, and the first option says all time. If you click that, it's going to erase everything. And but you also have the option to delete just today and yesterday, today and the last hour. So in this example, whichever option I select, it's going to delete all of them because I just opened them. But let's suppose that you opened a website, I don't know, a week ago. If I select delete everything on the last hour, that website is going to continue to be available here in our history. So, but in this case, I'm just going to delete all time, okay, which is the option that a lot of users use. So let's click on that. And as you can see, our history is gone. I'm going to click done. But as you can see, we still have the websites open. I'm going to click here. As you can see, we have the three websites still open. Okay. I'm going to click done. So that's one way. That's one way you can delete the history. Let me show you another way. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of my screen. I'm going to go to settings. Mine is right here. But if you don't find it, again, just to open Spotlight, swipe down from the middle of your screen. Okay, type in settings and select the app right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go up top so we can start from top. I'm gonna scroll down. And right here where it says Safari, click on that. Okay, we're gonna scroll down. And as you can see here, we have the option that says clear history and website data. Click on that. Okay, so as you can see here, it says we're going to be clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. So in this case, just so you know, we're not just deleting all the history of all the websites we have visited, but we're removing all the cookies and all of the browsing data. Any other data they have stored, it's going to be gone. But if you want to just clear everything, this is a good option. So in this case, I'm just going to hit clear history and data, and it's going to get you another option. It's going to say, do you want to close all the tabs? And let's say yes for this occasion. Just close tabs. Okay, now let's go back to Safari. Click right here. And as you can see, I have no tabs open. I'm just going to confirm this by clicking right here. And as you can see, I have no tabs open. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.